Good day, Kinyo. Para kay Dungmati at saka kay ng Bibot. Happy wedding sa happy 50th anniversary. Happy 50th wedding anniversary sa inyong dalawa. Sana bigyan pa kayo ng malakas na pangangatawan. At sana palagi kayong happy sa buhay. Love ko kamo. Happy 50th wedding anniversary. Yay! God bless.
Nong, happy 50th anniversary kinyo ni Nay Bibot. Ang wish ko kinyo, long life and good health. Love you, Nong, kinyo ni Nay Bibot.
Hi, Uncle Matt and Lola Bebot. Happy wedding anniversary. Wishing you always a good health and long life. And stay in love with the both of you.
Hi, Auntie Bibot and Uncle Matt. Happy 50th anniversary. Kanyang daywa. Long life and good health malang akong wish kinyo.
Happy 50th wedding anniversary! Nay Bibot and Nong Mat. Wishing you all the best and happiness. God bless you. We love you.
Happy 50th anniversary, Lolo Mat and Lola Bibot. Good health, long life.
Many more anniversaries.
Bye-bye, we love you.
Papa! Congrats! Happy anniversary!
Happy golden anniversary sa inyo. It's such a milestone and keep on being healthy and staying together. Cheers to more and longer year of marriage. Happy anniversary! Good health!
Happy anniversary po. More love, more anniversaries, good health, and more fun.
Huwag niyo lang susundan.
Kay Nong Mat, Anang Bebot, congratulations on your golden wedding anniversary. May this golden anniversary be a reminder of the moments that shape your story. Here's to many more years of happiness, health, and cherished memories. We love you both.
Hi, Auntie Bebot, Uncle Matt. Happy golden wedding anniversary. Isang malaking pagbati at saludo ako sa inyo. 50 years of love, commitment, and journey together. It's truly inspiring kayo. Sa panahon ngayon, bihira na po ang ganitong katatag at katibay na pagsasama. Kaya naman, hanggang hanga po kami sa inyo. Sana po ay mas marami pa kayong taon na magsasama. With good health, more laughter, and overflowing love. Especially the love of your family. Kayo yung magandang reminder that true love still exists. Nabuhay po kayo and cheers to more golden years, I hope, ahead. God bless you always and happy anniversary po ulit. And regards to everyone.
Hi!
Good morning!
Hi! Bebot and Matt, how are you? Happy 50th anniversary!
Happy anniversary!
Yeah, wishing you more anniversaries of joy, happiness, love, and good health.
Yep.
Cheers to good
to
health.
both of you. Happy
And we
anniversary
love you. Hope to see you soon. Love you. Bye.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Okay, drink it.
Bye. Love you.
Hello. Happy 50th wedding anniversary kinyong daywa, uncle ag ante. Perbigid nga hagong lalong-lalo na sa kalusugan ninyo nga daywa. At sana lagi nandyan ang sweetness nyong dalawa. Mahal na mahal ko kayong dalawa. God bless you all.
Uncle Matt, Auntie Bibot, happy wedding anniversary sa inyong dalawa. 50 years na pala yun na naalala kong ako ang nagbitbit ng wedding ring niyo ni Auntie Bibot sa altar. So parang kailan lang, 50 years na pala yun, nakaraan. Wish namin sa inyo na magpagaling kayo, na sana gumaling kayo at bigyan pa kayo ng mahabang buhay ni Lord. Pagpalakas kayo dyan. Ingat lagi. At huwag makalimot kay Lord na lagi magdasal. Yun lang po.
Hi! Uncle Matt and Auntie Bebot, happy wedding anniversary. Wow, 50th anniversary na. So, happy kami dahil umabot kayo ng 50th ninyo na with lots of love talaga sa family and sa inyong dalawa. Wish lang namin na sana healthy body. Pagpagaling na po kayo, pareho. Ay nako, reunion pa sa sa May, sa summer. So, sana kompleto tayo lahat na masaya ang Abella. Happy anniversary and wish you good health. Yun lang. And syempre, happy family. God bless.
God bless.
Hello, Nang Bibot, Agnong Mat. Happy 50th Golden Wedding Anniversary kinyo. Kabay pang tawan kamot magawig nga kabuhi ag magayo sa masakit. Ag abo pang apo. Enjoy your day. God bless. And best regards sa kinyo tanana.
Ay nang bot, nang mat, happy anniversary, may diyang agawas, and busy. Kumusta lang yan kinyo sa mga nga kinyo?
Happy anniversary ng Bebot anong mat. We miss you na. Okay, again, happy anniversary. Love you.
Happy anniversary nung Mat, ng Bebot. Uliin kami sa bata, nidlawin kami.
Happy anniversary ng Mati and ng Bebot. Love you. Ingat ka mo una.
Hi ng Bot, ng Mat. Happy 50th wedding anniversary. I am such a witness of your love with each other. When I was still studying, Manang Bebot is such a very good mother, a very kind, very patient, tahimik lang, very prayerful. And for that talagang I could say that you're one of the most idol persons I have. Same with Manong Mat, very cool, the coolest person on earth, a very strong-willed, very loving to all of his children. We miss you here in the Philippines. Happy 50th wedding anniversary. Thank you.
Happy anniversary. Cheers to another year of love. God bless.
Hi Auntie, hi Uncle. Happy 50th wedding anniversary.
Cheers to 50 years of love, laughter, and memories.
Yay, we love you. Hope you have a wonderful celebration tomorrow.
Golden anniversary.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, Uncle Matty and Auntie Bebot. Happy golden anniversary. Congratulations on 50 wonderful years of marriage. Love you both.
Hi, Uncle and Auntie. This is Chinky. I'm one of your flower girls wedding ninyo. I want to greet you both. Happy 50th wedding anniversary. Wow, 50th. It's a milestone. God bless. You have more happy togetherness anniversaries. Good health, longevity. I love you both. Nag-attend ako Rosario kaina sa Flores de Mayo, sa simbahan. And I pray for the both of you.
Hi there, greetings from California. It's Caroline. I just want to say happy 50th anniversary to Auntie Bebot and Uncle Matt. What a milestone. Have a wonderful time. Take care. Bye.
Hello, Uncle Matt and Auntie Bebot. Happy 50th anniversary po. Si Bemra ay angga nga unga. Sorry, wata ako ubra it video ay nalipatan na gabiin na kasi kami nakauwi makaron. Late nag-message si Ate Mavis kaya ganon. Pero anyways, nagapasalamat tid man yan kay Ate Mavis kasi join naman kami sa raya nga video greetings para kinyo sa inyong 50th anniversary.
Happy wedding anniversary, Lola Matt and Lola Bebot. Love, Rally. Egbert's grandson. Bye-bye! From Rally family.
Hi Lolo at Lola. Happy 50th anniversary po.
Happy anniversary, Uncle, Auntie.
Hi! Hi! Happy anniversary, Uncle Matt and Auntie Bebot. Kay Bebot, tsaka kay Mate. Happy 50th.
Happy anniversary, Matthew and Bebot, and God bless you. Stay healthy, and many years, many more years to come.
Happy 50th!
Hi, Uncle and Auntie. Happy golden anniversary.
Happy golden wedding anniversary po, Uncle Matt and Auntie Bebot.
Stay strong, stay in love, and stay healthy po.
God bless po.
Hello. Hi.
Hi, man. Happy anniversary sa dalawang mag-asawang nakarating na ng 50 years. Golden anniversary na nila.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Mateo and Bebot. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Have a blessed golden anniversary. Praying for more years. Sana umabot pa ng 100 years. And yan naman ang gusto mo, diba? God bless you more. I love you both.
Hi Ma! Hi Pa! Happy golden anniversary po sa inyong dalawa. Lagi po kayong mag-iingat dyan. Lagi ko rin po kayong pinagpipray kay God. And sana po makapasyal ulit kayo dito sa Pilipinas. We miss you both.
Happy anniversary,
Lola Matt and Lola Bebot.
Lola Bebot, Matt.
Uncle Matt.
Happy anniversary. We miss you a lot.
We love you.
Love you.
Happy 50th anniversary.
Enjoy ka mo sa inyong 50th anniversary. Bahala na kami rito kumain ng pansit.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy anniversary po.
Happy golden wedding anniversary, Uncle Matt and Auntie Bebot. We love you.
Love you.
Kiss.
Wishing you continued love and happiness.
Happy 50th wedding anniversary.
We love you.
Yay.
Yay.
Happy 50th wedding anniversary, Lola Bebot and Lola Matt.
We wish you both good health and safety always. God bless you, wishing you continued happiness and more wonderful years ahead.
Happy anniversary.
Uncle Matt and Auntie Bebot, congratulations on your 50th wedding anniversary. What a remarkable milestone. Your love, dedication, and partnership over these years serve as an inspiration. Example for all of us. You've shown us the beauty of commitment, resilience, and joy that a true partnership brings. We celebrate not just the years, but the countless memories, laughter, and love you've shared. May this special day bring you both unmatched happiness as you've given to those around you. Here's to many more wonderful years filled with love, adventure, and cherished moment together.
Congratulations.
Happy 50th wedding anniversary.
God bless always.
God bless, good health, we love you from the city of gentle people.